In this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can download any video on YouTube. Whether you want to download your own videos so you could back them up elsewhere, or you want to download other creators' videos so you can watch them offline, this video is for you. Now that you know some reasons for downloading videos on YouTube, let me walk you through the exact steps on how to do this. All right, now that we're on my computer, the first thing I'm going to show you is how to download your own videos. This is a super simple process. And all we're going to be doing is heading over to the YouTube studio. Then you're going to click on content off on the left, then hover over the video you want to download and click on the three dots off to the right. Now you can see where it allows you to download your videos. And if we click on it, the video is not downloading. When it comes to downloading videos from other people's channels, what you're going to do is find the video that you want to download. Once you've found it, click on the video, then you're going to click on the download button right under the video, right next to where you can share it. Just a heads up, you will need to have a YouTube premium account to download other creators' videos. YouTube does offer a 1-month free trial that you can cancel at any time before the trial ends. So if you don't want the extra payment, make sure to download all the videos you want to watch offline, then just cancel right before the 1-month mark. So there you go. That's how you download any video on YouTube fast and easy in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure to check out this video over here where I show you how to download free music from YouTube. This is a proven method to take your videos to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.